Hi, I'm Amy with Shasta College. This video will assist you in filing a Title V report. This form is used to file a report of discrimination based on race, religion, color, national origin, ancestry, physical or mental disability, medical condition, genetic information, gender, gender identity, gender expression, age, marital status, sexual orientation, or because one is perceived to have one or more of the foregoing characteristics, or based on association with a person or a group with one or more of these actual or perceived characteristics. It is the district's policy to provide an environment free from unlawful discrimination. Shasta College is committed to equal opportunity in educational programs, employment, and access to institutional programs and activities. The district forbids and will not tolerate any form of discrimination and has enacted administrative procedures to assure equal opportunity and to recognize and eliminate policy violations in accordance with Title V regulations and those of other agencies that administer state and federal laws regarding non-discrimination. It is both illegal and prohibited to retaliate against any individual for filing a complaint or participating in an investigation. In this next section, we will walk you step by step through completing a Title V report.
Enter your full name. Enter your position title. The position title refers to your role on campus. Are you a student, employee, or other? Enter your phone number and email address so we may contact you. Enter your physical address, where you live. Click on the calendar icon to select the date of the most recent incident. This is required. We understand you may not remember. Do your best to provide the correct date. Time of incident. If you can remember the time or at least close, enter it. Otherwise, you may leave this blank. Location of incident. This is required. Select the closest possible place from the drop-down menu. Enter the exact place based on the location of incident you chose. Provide as much detail as possible, including the room number or area. Completing the second section, involve parties. Do not worry, we know this is hard and we understand you may not remember everything. However, please enter as much information as you can. Please enter the name or department. Select the gender. Select a role. Enter the ID number if possible. Enter a date of birth if possible. Phone number, email address, mailing physical address. Click the blue button to add as many individuals as needed. We understand this is hard. Please do your best to include everyone you remember. If you can't remember, that's okay. Fill out what you can. Completing the third section, questions. We know this is difficult and you're doing great. Please provide as much detail about the incident as you can remember. It helps to think about what happened before, during, and after the incident, and if you talked to anyone. I wish to file a complaint against. Required. Enter the name of the person for which you are submitting a complaint. I allege discrimination based on the following category under Title V. Required. Check all that apply to this complaint from the 16 choices. Clearly state your complaint. Describe each incident of alleged discrimination separately. For each incident, provide the following information. Dates the discriminatory action occurred, name of individuals who discriminated, what happened, witnesses, and why you believe the discrimination was because of your religion, age, race, sex, or whatever basis you indicated above. If applicable, explain why you believe you were retaliated against for filing a complaint or asserting your right to be free from discrimination on any of the above grounds. Enter as much information as you can remember. What would you like the district to do as a result of your complaint? What remedy are you seeking? Was campus safety involved or did they respond? Select from one of the three choices. I certify that this information is correct to the best of my knowledge. Select from one of the two choices. You've reached the final section and you're doing great. This section is used to provide any supporting documentation you may have. Documentation can include photos, videos, email, and other supporting documents. 5 GB maximum total size and attachments require time to upload, so please be patient after submitting this form. You may elect to have a copy emailed to you by clicking the box. We suggest that you do. That way you'll be able to refer to this report in the future if need be. Click Submit and you have finished the reporting process.